Hello traders and investors. Chasing Stars here doing a video chart for RFMK that's traded on the pinks. I'm going to go ahead and point out a few key features about this chart that I'm definitely watching. Today's date is Friday, December 16th, 2011. We had a positive change of 14.29%, a last of 0.0032 on a volume of 10,370,024. So I'm going to go ahead and point out the first thing right here is the RSI. The RSI right now is trading at 65.88. I'm going to go ahead and start with my trend line on the RSI, and we can go ahead and see that there has been a steady uptrend, and we can go ahead and see that down here in the candlesticks. As we move further down here, I'm going to go ahead and start with support levels. The first support level that we are going to definitely need to hold down here at the bottom is going to be 0.0015 in my opinion. The next one is up here at about the 17 mark range. I'm going to be looking for it to definitely hold that, but like I said, the 50-day simple moving average is key to definitely hold support. Next one we can see is that we got back above this support line right here, and it went down and touched it the last couple trading days, but bounced right up above it, and we can see that right here now that we're at 0.0032. So the resistance levels, I'm going to go ahead and point that out here. There's one right here that we definitely broke through and closed above, and that is a very, very good sign in my opinion. So we definitely got above it, so we're going to be looking for this one to hold come next week, and we're going to look for the break of the 200-day simple moving average, which is this red line right here that we see running across at 0.0042. After we break that, I definitely think, in my opinion, we can definitely see some moves in higher gain area. So we're going to go ahead and watch for that 200-day simple moving average break, and hopefully that will turn into support after that. If we look down here at the parabolic SAR, we can definitely see a lot of bullish signals right here, in my opinion. We've seen a little bit of a bearish right here, and obviously it flipped back, and it also brought the volume with it. So that's another good key, and we can see a big spike back here in volume and a little bit of a consolidation. But if we go ahead and point out right here, we can see that there was a gap right here, and the gap came back down and filled and went ahead and bounced right back up. So that is definitely a definite sign of strength in my opinion. Down here at the MACD, we definitely see a nice spread starting to form here. If you look back here, we can definitely see that it spread out quite a bit in this big price per share right here, especially when it started working its way up. The next thing that I do is point out the accumulation. We can definitely see the accumulation growing a lot since the beginning of December. So RFMK, this is one to watch next week. There's a lot of buzz on it. The chart's looking really good. Definite uptrend starting to form here, and very positive in my opinion. So anybody that's interested in joining my private email list, please send an email to investorshangout@gmail.com with "add me" in the subject. You'll be added for educational and informational pieces only. Zero spam, and your email address will never be given out. We'll see you guys on the boards.